Well, we begin now. Um, Dear participants, dear Dr. Sergio, who is our faculty for today's lecture, Zoom lecture. Okay, so all of you are welcome to the course Water Science Management and Governance. This is our second course, and we will be together for three weeks. And we welcome all of you to this interesting course. And we believe that all of you will enjoy it. Okay, it is written by and developed by different faculty members. So today is the first day, and we request all of you to participate in the forum W-001. So when you open the course on the portal pgiversity.org, so you will also find the link. You will go to the forum first of all, and in the forum, if you click in the forum, you will find this W001 uh, group. So in that group, please keep on interacting, keep on chatting, writing, giving your feedback, and also raising your questions. So we will definitely keep interacting and responding. So we need lot of interactions, lot of responses from your side in this forum. In addition to that, we have uh, we have planned a number of Zoom lectures, and today Dr. Sergio will undergo this lecture, and he will explain and his experiences. He is very lot of experiences he have had, um, not only of the teaching but also of the research and in the field works. So we will benefit from his deep and insightful experiences, which he is going to present in the next more than half an hour. So after when he conclude, so then we will request your interventions and your feedback, your questions, your clarifications. So I hope that it will be interesting session today. So now I invite Dr. Sergio to begin with his um, lecture and his presentation. Thank you so much, Dr. Sergio. Now, please, you start.
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
Okay, please increase your voice and
Okay, it's
also,
okay for
yeah.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You
Please
can
go
hear
ahead.
me?
Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead, please.
Okay. So I will put in presentation mode if possible. So
On the bottom,
yes, but
you have a
I'm with
symbol.
my laptop and I have this bar of
Okay,
mm, mm.
good.
It's okay for you?
Yes, yes, yes. It's good, please.
Okay. Thank you so much. I will do my presentation, okay, for the Model 1, Unit 1.1, for the course of Water Science Management and Governance. So I will beginning to say good afternoon to everyone and started by saying hello and thank you for the organization for inviting me to make the presentation of my work, okay? And also I want to thanks to all ones that are on online mode to see my presentation, okay? I will make the presentation and this one correspond to a work that I developed in recent past, hydraulic planning in insular urban territories, the case of Madeira Island, São Vicente. I'm Sérgio Lousada. I'm working in the University of Madeira in the Department of Civil Engineering and Geology. Uh, I make a lot of research in the areas of spatial planning, hydraulics, and some other subjects, uh, nothing more. So I will restart and go to the slide number 2. Sorry. Okay. The index of my work, they have a little introduction, materials and methods, results, discussion, and some conclusion. Okay. I put one photo about the location of this work in Madeira Island, okay, the municipality of São Vicente. And I'm going to the next slide. Introduction. So, how does climate change affect flood risks? Thermal and weather atmosphere, more energy for storms, more intensive downpours, and coastal flooding. So, during the global warming, with its increasing variability, leads to an increased risk of both floods and droughts, while increases temperatures are in question for all seasons of the year. Precipitation may decrease in one season while increasing in the other season. According to some strong findings, this variability in precipitation will increase even more in the future. This, in turn, will lead to a discontinuity of precipitation throughout the year and consequently to an increase in sudden and torrential rains. So, this one is normally what is happening in most parts of the world during the recent times. We have some variabilities, and in this case, in Madeira Island, the variation of the precipitation, sometimes we have big problems, and the last ones are in February of 2010, and we have a lot of loss. So not only materials but also people. So it's the most important is make some conditions and some measures to protect the people that are in Madeira Island. So next one. So the introduction, I put in the right part of the slide some pictures about the last catastrophic that was happening in Madeira. Some photos for different municipalities. The main one in Funchal is the most important city of Madeira Island, and some other ones in other municipalities. Okay, so the flood reasons are heavy rainfall caused by natural weather events, insufficient forests, incorrect agricultural practices, inadequate design of drainage channels and structures, inadequate maintenance of drainage facilities, clogging or rubble borne by flood waters, settle down of floodplains. So, what is happened? We have a intensive precipitation. All the channels didn't are prepared for the volume of water, so you can see in the figures and the flood it's developed under the streets and all things that came in the way of the flood are going to the sea. Also people, cars, uh, also some homes and some buildings. So, materials and methods. Area of study. The study is focused on the São Vicente watershed. You can see in the figure is the yellow part of the map of Madeira Island. Okay, located in the north side of the Madeira Island. You can see the location of the archipelago of Madeira in the right figure. Um, Also, I put the aerial picture of the Madeira Island, and I put a photo of the river mount of the main stream of the watershed of São Vicente, okay, near the sea. I think that I don't have nothing more. Yes. So, next slide, materials and methods. So, schematic of methodology. We have six big steps to develop to make this work. Okay. A literature review, watershed morphometric analysis, analysis of hydrological analysis of the drainage capacity of the river mount, the tension basin sizing, and definition of the ruggedness coefficient. So these ones are the six big steps that I need to develop to achieve my discussion and the results to achieve the discussion and the conclusions that I want. And also, when I make this work, I have already published one article about this work. I will see it for you at the end of the presentation, okay? Don't worry. Materials and methods, morphometric characterization of the watershed, okay? We need to define a lot of parameters to have a correct characterization, okay? So the precipitation analysis, we need to achieve the data for a lot of years in the past and make some extrapolations to the future, what possibly will be happen in the future. So also drainage capacity of the river mount and the peak flow. So all the municipality is developed. We have the river mount, the river or the mainstream inside the municipality. We didn't have the possibility to change the measures of the section of the main stream, so we have some limitations, okay, because probably we have near the mainstream some buildings, some streets, so we have this type of problems, and we need to achieve the possibility to input or create annotation basing, okay, different methods, the Dutch method or TSTH method, and also we can check the modification of the ruggedness coefficient is the material that we can build the walls and the river bed of the mainstream inside the watershed of São Vicente. So I present some results with the help of the software ArcGIS. I developed the figure, the hypsometric map, okay, and we can see different colors. The high parts of the watershed are in green colors, and the other ones near the river mount. We can see the hypsometric map level number 1 to 209 meters. So probably we have some slopes we have slopes between the higher parts to the river mount. Okay. Also, I present the stellar classification, the number of streams for different levels. We can see in the figure number 4. Okay. With this work, I can develop some results. I have the correct characterization of the precipitation, what can happen in the future. I can determine the flow for different methodologies, 40, rational, Giandotti, Mocus, okay? And with this one, I can have some fixed values with 40 meters, height 3 meters, and I can check the possibility to incorporate in the mainstream the detention basin with the Dutch method or the HTH method. Okay, for the different methodologies to determine the flow for our mainstream. Also, I can see and can check the possibility to make the modification of the ruggedness coefficient. Okay, and with this one, I can check what is possible to do in the future to have or create good conditions for our inhabitants in this municipality. Okay, and so some discussion about this work. This study main goal was to check if it was needed to put into action flood mitigation measures to further prevent major impacts in São Vicente watershed. The use of a detention basin revealed itself as valid and useful structural measure towards controlling its river mount's flow rate. At the first, the fill rate and was 98%, 135 and 99 respectively for rational Giandotti and Mocco's methodology, which ultimately requires to only 61 after adopting the detention basing method. This structural measure outcome is clear evidence that in main way it may enable the river mount to work below 85% of its full capacity. Moreover, this proves the accuracy of the regional directory for territorial management and environment prediction. And it was not made any change of the stream cross section, namely its height and width. The only variable parameter was its length and was based on this concept that the Dutch method um, present an abnormal oversize of the detention basin's length when compared to the watershed main water course length. Therefore, according to this method, it would be needed to change one or both course section dimensions, and so it cannot be considered valid for the aforementioned urban size design settings. The exact same conditions were imposed for the STHD method, which is showing a different and this time valid approach, since the detention basin length was shorter than the watershed main watercourse length. So, like I have said in the other slides, we have some limitation for the application of these methods, and the main and most important limitation is the section of the main water course or mainstream of the watershed of São Vicente, and also you have the limitation about the length of this one. So we need to respect these conditions and to check if this is possible for different methodologies, input or create a detention sizing inside the main water course. So some conclusions, and you can see in the right part of the slide, I make the simulation about the rainfall in São Vicente with the dates that I have obtained from the civil engineering laboratory that was present in Madeira Island, and they give me the data, and I need to make a treatment, and after I will create the figure number A2, and also I make the conditions, the ternary phase about the modulation, about the flow rate, about this rain flow. So, some conclusion is to the revealed home flood-prone San Vicente watershed is in the event of extreme rainfall occurrences. Sorry. Uh, sorry. Continuar, deixa. Sei. Event rainfall occurrences that this was already predicted by the ROTA and home flood risk report. The watershed drainage capacity is likely required by the presence of abundant vegetation and a huge number of sediments throughout the water course, resulting in a lower flow rate in an already low slope stream and river mount. After all, this study leaves a clear open door to others that may complement its contents and methodologies by optimizing its techniques to improve the often complex urban hydraulic system and demand. It is also expected that new studies take notice of the need to reduce sediment deposition, as it seems to make a huge long-term impact over the watercourses, drainage capacity, and ultimately to prevent a major flood impact. On the other hand, mechanical erosion of these streams holes and the amount of time that often takes to local public authorities to perform any type of maintenance have been two strong reasons for how degraded the main course tributaries are, and subsequently by the lower water quality be charged and therefore also needed to be studied and improved. So I'm end my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I will present some other files about this work. Okay, and if you have some questions, you can do these ones during the presentation of the next files. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Sergio. I
I
invite the participants to raise any question or any clarification they want, please.
Mhm. I will share some other information if possible.
You can.
Mm, okay, so
Mhm.
uh, about this work. In the right part of the screen, you can see I was developed with two colleagues, two old students, one from Brazil, another one for Turkey. Okay, we developed this article about this subject. Okay, also it's the same structure about the presentation. I make an introduction that is the literature review about this subject. Okay, some all the different sections about this article, all the morphometric characterization to different parameters that we need to achieve. You can see all the equations, okay, in the right part. This one is already published in the past with the MDPI. All the explanation is detailed in this article, okay. Some results you can see some figures. Um, I was already present this one during my presentation. Okay, it's only to see the structure. Okay, nothing more. Some conclusions and also all the works. So in the right part about this work, all the parameters are calculated with the help of the software Microsoft Excel. Okay, and also for the different methodologies to determining the value of the application of different methodologies, rational, Giandotti, and Mokush. I have determined all the needed parameters, okay, to obtain the length. All these ones are detailed in this main uh, sheet of the Microsoft Excel software, and also the precipitation you can see during they give me all the dates and I need to make the correct treatment about these ones for the different location and to determine the value of the precipitation for our watershed and to determine the other ones, okay? And to obtain this filler one uh, figure, okay? With this one, I can make the simulation and to determine the flow rate for this watershed. I will close this one. So if you can and if you have time, you can check the information about this article using my this one, this QR code, okay? All my publications can be accessed with this QR code, okay? So if you have some questions, I'm available to answer it. Thank you.
Okay, friends. Now we invite your questions or your clarification, please. Anyone? Hello? Nobody?
I think that nobody have doubts
Or
or to clarify some situations about my presentation. So If they want, they can send me an email. I will answer. Okay,
Yes, yes,
to
yes, yes,
participate.
yes, sure. Okay. Or if anyone wants to give any compliment or any give any feedback, so please come out and speak.
Um, Thank you, Dr. Sergio, for the
Hello.
presentation. I think on my part, it would be ideal if I could read your publication first in detail, and then um, probably that's when I'll be able to
Yes, I can
seek
share
some
it.
kind of clarification if it's possible.
Yes,
Thank
you
you.
can assess with the QR code of my presentation. But if I think that I can share in the chat this article, and I will send to you now, okay? Princess Modica
Thank you.
is your name, not correct?
Yeah,
So,
it
and
is
also for
Princess.
tomorrow, I have other article, don't worry, I will share it tomorrow, okay? I think
Okay,
that
thank you
you
very
can
much.
access the article in the chat, okay? It's
Okay,
uploaded.
thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you so much for your
Mm,
interest.
Thank
Oh,
you.
okay. Any other friend wants to speak something?
Okay, I have another participants came now and
Hello.
they somehow time zone.
I'm good. I don't know the time zone over there, but it's evening here where I'm calling from in Nigeria. Sorry I didn't resume on time for your presentation, Dr. Sergio. Just wanted to
Don't
indicate
worry.
interest.
Okay,
Interest
don't
too. I
worry.
also love your publication too, so that I can go through it because I'm indeed very interested in your topic. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much for your justification, and also tomorrow I will make a similar presentation for other municipality of the Madeira Island. Okay, and if you have the possibility to be online, it's good, and you can achieve some information, and probably you can have some clarification about this article that I was published in the past. Okay, thank you so much. And also, Santos, and thanks for the presentation. Thank you so much for your time, Santo. So, anyone want to clarify something more or not?
Dr. Sergio, I'm trying to access what you have shared.
Yes,
I
you
don't
only
seem to
need to
be.
make the download.
It's still downloading.
Yeah, no, it's
Um,
uploaded. For me, you need
it's
to check.
uploaded.
Yes, you need to go in the chat, and in the chat you can download the file. Okay?
Yes, I have, but it's.
No,
I
just what he's saying that you please see the chats on this in this
yes,
on this is yes, and you can
I'm in the
download the
chat.
PDF. There is a PDF he has shared.
Yes, I
Okay.
shared my the PDF of the article in the chat.
You can
And
download
you
this. Click this PDF file, and then you can download directly now.
exactly. Anyone have problems to download the file?
Okay. Any other person wants to speak and has any clarification from Dr. Sergio, or you want to compliment or give any feedback to him? Okay. If you have no question, no compliment, no remark, okay. So I like to ask you about have you been accessing this portal where the course is put?
I'm accessing the platform and I can
So
see all the information.
have you been accessing this platform of where the course W001 is presented, displayed? Do you have
Yes.
any problem in accessing it?
No, for my part, everything is fine. I can
Okay,
see all the information, so
okay.
it's okay for me.
I'm just asking all these participants if anybody is having any issue, any problem in accessing any part of it. So just let me know. I can demonstrate you on this
Hello,
screen. Yes, please.
hello. Yes, I'm Gabriel. I'm actually accessing from Kenya.
Okay.
So for today's and the last 1 month, so accessing has been the best. But some time back, I remember last year it was not that easy because it actually take you through a lot of steps. But for today's, I'm accessing it very easy, so it's okay.
Okay, it's fine. And you can also, are you able to access the quizzes also? Quiz?
And yes, I have seen the quiz, so the
Okay,
quiz they
okay,
are there. Yes.
okay. But there are some many problem have the many people have the problem in the quiz. Basically, when you attempt the quiz, um, the many quiz are coming without any answer to us. And when there is you have written nothing in the answer, then the system is failing you. It's not giving any mark. So if you are writing any word or any line or any paragraph in answering the questions, then the system is giving you the all marks, so full marks, and the system is passing you. If there is nothing in the as the answer of the question, reply of the question, then the system is failing. So what we understand that some people is having this problem. Maybe they are writing the answer. Maybe they are writing the answer, but their answer is not coming when they are submitting. This answer is not coming. Right. There is all the answer is blank.
Yeah,
So
like yes.
yes, please speak.
Like, okay, I'm saying, for example, right now, I'm trying actually to click to the quiz, and then it is actually loading and it's taking long. Maybe it's because we are actually online, as you said.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are having some issues, maybe it's taking more time, so that may be the connectivity issue or the speed issue. Okay, sometimes because it is a portal, it is not the ordinary website. It is a portal, it runs on the complex programming. Okay, so if the quiz is taking more time, so there can be a connectivity issue. But the serious matter is that you are writing answer and you are submitting it properly. But when it is submitted, so it is coming to us without any answer, without any reply. So it is coming blank. So that may be the matter and an issue. So if this is the case, if the system is reading failed, what we will do, we will delete the failed quiz answers. Okay, we will delete, and later on, next time you can try again. So that will happen. I mean, like if you communicate with us, then probably we will try to resolve this issue. Okay. So another request, we have the request that you please try to interact more and more in the forum W001. Dr. Ibrahim Bishir has started this communication in the group, but other people have not yet started. Okay. Thank you.
Hello. Then another issue that I wanted to ask is pertaining to the presentation that was done, the recording for this session. If it's going to be shared, maybe later on you want to reflect on what was said, or maybe you might have not heard something. Maybe you just want to reflect and get to have an understanding. Will
Okay.
this recording be shared?
Yes, this recording is shared. If you see our previous course, which is P001, you will find all the recorded videos. All the recorded videos, they have been put on the I mean, like on the respective units. So this lecture will be placed tomorrow in the text of the 1.1 unit. And tomorrow's lecture similarly will be put in the text of 1.2 unit. So you have to read the unit text and you will find this video maybe tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it will be there on the website.
That's okay.
So
Many thanks.
yes. So yes, the other friend is writing. Ibrahim is writing that his third attempt was successful. Yes, it happens. So, but I need more explanation on position on the forum. I am not saying any tag in the forum like reflection. No, you have to see. Even you have got the two answers. One answer from me and one answer from other instructor. So, but the other participants are not interacting. So when they will start interacting, maybe they will reply on your write up. So please don't think that people will not respond. They will respond. Okay. Anything else? Okay. So any other problem, any other question? Now, please let us know. Otherwise, we are going to close this session. Hello.
Hello, for my part. I
Any?
will be available for tomorrow, okay?
Yes, tomorrow, please. Yes, we will be here. Maybe tomorrow we will have more participants because this is the first day and some people are not yet like uh,
Yes, I
convenient,
believe
or
that the participants are for different time zones, so
yes,
you
time zone
don't.
is also, yes, one issue, but some people maybe just joining today from today, and then will slowly they will get into it.
Okay, don't worry, Professor.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
okay
yeah.
with me. Okay, thank you.
Okay, friends, should we close now, or you have any question or any comment?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Please.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
Fatima Mustafa Shitu. In fact, I've been trying to join the session. I've just been able to join now, and I'm hearing that the session is going to be closed. So I don't know the actual time it started. If I was
Oh,
captured for today's lesson.
okay, Fatima, we are sorry that you have joined late because time was 5 p.m. Time was 5 p.m. Central European time. So maybe you are late. Okay, no problem. But we have more or less finished. So what you need to do? Have you accessed the portal tgiversity.org or not?
Yes, I've accessed the portal now.
So you go there and you go into the course W001. Okay. When you
All right.
enter in the course, you will see you will see on the left side there is one button called information. The second button, that is in the middle of the bar, is contents. Okay. I can show you on the window, then you will understand quickly. Just
Okay, sir.
give me a few minutes. Okay. So you all of you see this portal here, and
Okay.
yes, you when you click this course, Water Science Management and Governance W001. Suppose you are on the home page, for example. So here you can click the courses, go down, and then you click this course, Water Science Management. Click this. When you click, so this page will open. So here, do not forget to click this here. Where it is written free, it must be written enroll. It is written enroll. When you click the enroll button, so this free word comes. So if you click enroll, then you are enrolled in this course. Okay. Without enrolling, you cannot access the contents. So content is here. Content is here.
Sir, hello.
Hello. Please listen. There is a lot of disturbance behind.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello,
It's a
I
no.
can hear you, sir.
Okay, you hear me, but you have a noise behind you. Okay. So when you click the enroll button here, okay, so you can go to learning page, or you can click the content page. You click go to learning page, or you click the content page. When you click the content page, this first page is just information. Okay. Then just enter the content page. If you click the content page, you will have the introduction first. Then you have the module 1. When you click the introduction, sorry, for example, it is like this. Introduction. When you click the introduction, you will have this introduction button again, and then you click introduction again, and you click the read button here. Read. So then next page will open. And this is complete introduction part. Okay, of the whole structure of the course. And on the bottom, if you go down, reading it and going down, you will see this schedule of the Zoom lectures. So today's lecture is this. You can see the time also.
Yes.
You can see the Central European Summer Time. So you can calculate. You can search in the Google. If you click the Google and you just write 5 p.m. CEST to your time. Where are you from? Hello?
Nigeria. I'm
Nigeria.
from
So,
Nigeria.
okay. So, Nigeria time. You can convert this 5 p.m. Central European time to Nigeria time. So, in Nigeria, the Google will tell you the 4 p.m. So, you should join this lecture at 4 p.m., not at 5 p.m. 5 p.m. is the Central European time, not your Nigeria time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your time is the 4 p.m. time. So you can convert, you can ask Google. Simple, very simple. And tomorrow again we'll find all times, most of the times are 5 p.m. Central European Summer Time. Okay. So you can ask the Google depending on your country time. So you can ask Google, Google will convert and tell you the exact time. And here
Yes, sir.
you see the name of the lecture, topic of the lecture, and unit of the module. And also this is the Zoom link. If you click this Zoom link, you will come to here where you are right now. Okay, like this. So
Okay.
this is very simple. Here all Zoom link is attached with this ID for all the lectures. So now you can follow all these lectures and please participate. Everybody is requested to participate these lectures. Okay. Other than that, these lectures, if you go back to this contents, so here you will find the module 1, and here you have the module 1 introduction, module 1 unit 1.1, then the quiz of 1.1, then 1.2. 1.2 unit is for tomorrow. So every day you have to complete, you have to go through the unit uh, one unit in one day. So we have unit 6 units, 1.6, 6 units in this module 1. Similarly, we have the 6 units in module 2. And then for module 3, we have the 6 units. So every day, 6 days, you have to go through all these items, okay, whatever is written. So it's a lot of things are written. If you click the read button, so you have a lot of text here, and then videos, diagrams,
Illustrations.
illustration, so many things. And these are the videos you have to do. You have to listen to them, watch them. Okay. And then there are the like task for students also. So this is the reflective 1.1 something, and you have to answer, you have to write in forum W001. Forum W001 you can open, and you can also open the forum from here. If you click here forum, then this forum will open. Or you can go through this text where the link was given, so you can open this forum. So forum W001 is this. Click this, and here you see Dr. Ibrahim has written his reflection, and then I have given a small, again, a question to him. Then he will answer if he wants. Okay. And then another instructor also has written some comment here, and now Ibrahim is replying to this comment. So everybody will write something. So other people, it's not necessary that other people are just replying to Ibrahim. Other people can write their own question or own reflection. Okay. Or can also reply to Ibrahim. So all options are here open. So there is no restriction for anything. So you can simply type text here, and then you can post, send. It will go. So it's so easy. So go through this text, okay, and participate in the forum and also interact. So there's a lot of information is written here, okay, with all references. Even references are there. If you want to read, you need not to search this reference in anywhere. You just click this button, this link, and then you will be in the publication. So everything is made easy for you, very easy for you. And quiz is here also, mandatory quiz. You have to click this, and then you will be in quiz. Okay, quiz questions are in front of you. So if you write here your answers, and try to do one thing. When you write the answers, you please save your answer in somewhere in the back file, like in some Word file. You copy and paste your answer, so that if the system is not reading and failing you, so you can go back to your Word file and you can try again, you can attempt again. Okay. I think you all
Thank
of
you.
you understood.
Nice. Sir.
And how
Okay.
we assess, I can show you if you please want to understand how we do this. So here I can show you is where it comes to the dashboard, like my dashboard. Okay. All quiz answers come to my dashboard. So I click the quiz, and then I go to the results. So here are the results, like I tested because I had a doubt. I also tested whether this answer is coming to me or not. Okay. So if I see, I do review here, and this is blank. So this is happening like that. If I click, I do nothing. Okay. My team does nothing. My team all opens this, and they just do go next question, next question, next question, and then finish. So if there is nothing written here, it gives 0 mark and it fails, like it is failed. But at the same time, I can show you here the people who have passed. Like same way I tried before, and in this case, if you want to see the answers, so the answers are here. And this attempt was okay. So the system passed me. So here also, like I can try this person. This person
Now, a
passed.
quick one.
What?
I'm saying a quick one. I have a question.
Please. So you
Yeah.
understood this? I'm closing this. No, okay. You understood or you
Yes.
have any?
Now
Okay, please.
it's okay. Then what? My question is that are we going to do a quiz every day, or a quiz can be done like on weekly, or we do it on daily?
You can do quiz anytime, any time. You can do today. You have time. If you don't have time, you can read the text, the unit tomorrow. Like you
Okay.
are supposed to read today this unit 1.1. You are
Uh-huh.
supposed to read this unit 1.1 today. But suppose you don't have the time, for example, you are busy. So tomorrow you can come, or day after tomorrow you can come and then read it 1.1. And
Okay.
similarly 1.2, 1.3. And the quiz you can answer on Sunday. Maybe Sunday is free.
It's
So
okay.
you can answer quiz Sunday, you can answer quiz
Sir,
when you complete the course. Yes, please,
yes, sir.
please.
So, Professor, I need to came out of this
Yes,
meeting.
please.
Okay,
Yes, please, Dr.
thank you so
Sergio, please.
much. Thank you
Because
so much for your
if
presentation.
somebody is having any question, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm also closing. Okay.
Okay, thank
Any
you so much.
okay. Any more
Bye.
question, please? Any other question? Any other clarification, please?
I'm
No.
okay. I'm okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you. So this is if you spend little time, so you will understand this portal. You will understand the structure and its how to operate this. This is not very difficult. Okay. So this is all very easy to understand. But but if you don't have time, you don't want to spend a time, you don't want to read, then there is no no solution for this problem. Okay. Okay, thank you, friends. So I am closing this Zoom
Thank you very
session.
much.
Yeah, I'm closing this. Where is it? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Same time.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.